Hello everybody! Recently I had a problem with a fan of my Windows computer. It gave me very strange, weird speed measurements. I wanted to understand how it is working, and this is what I'm proposing today. So let's take a look. This is an old fan I have. It's 12 volt. The 3 wires, ground, VCC, and the speed measurement. And then I use a breadboard just because it's more simple to put all these different cables, and it's connected to my power supply. So I will feed 12 volts here. It will power the fan, so I will put it like this. And after, with my oscilloscope, I will take some measurement. Let's run it. And yes, the fan is running. So this is my oscilloscope probe. I will make something very naive. So I'm connecting ground to ground, and this is the cable to measure the speed of the fan, and I will connect it to my oscilloscope. What do we have? Okay, so the fan is running, and on the oscilloscope we have these very strange measures. So why? It's because what we are doing here is wrong. This is a little like if we measure the voltage on just a wire, and if I switch off the power supply, there is some differences, but more or less you still have this strange deformed sinusoid, and the frequency is around 50 Hz. It's a purely electronic noise from the main. This is not how to measure speed of the fan. In fact, if I disconnect, put a wire without anything here, and I still have the same kind of graph. This is like an antenna. So how to measure correctly the speed of the fan? What we have here is what is called an open collector. We have to drive it to a known potential, and to do this we just need some resistor. I take 10 kilo ohms, and we put it between VCC and our pin, and we will measure the voltage at this point. So I just take another wire and I connect to this point, and ground is still connected to ground. And now if I start, let's see what we have on the oscilloscope. Yeah, now we have something very different. I will change the trigger. Okay. So now we have a square signal. And if I slow down manually the fan, you see that the frequency is changing. And this is how speed is measured by PC motherboard, for example. We can also reduce the voltage I will change. And I reduce the voltage. So you see that both the frequency and the height of the signal is changing. And I go back to 12 volt. And this is how it works for fans with 3 wires. So nothing complicated if it's done correctly with a pull-up resistor. This was with a 3 wires fan, and in a next video I will show you how to change the speed of the fan for a 4 wires fan. Modern mainboards, especially for the fan of the CPU, are using 4 wires. Thank you, bye bye!